In today's fast-paced world, the ability to learn new skills quickly is invaluable. Whether you're aiming to advance your career, pick up a new hobby, or simply expand your knowledge, mastering efficient learning techniques can set you apart. Today on Motive Learn, we share this guide with you. The guide explores some of the most effective learning strategies and hacks that can help you absorb information faster and more effectively. Everyone has a unique way of learning. The first step to optimizing your study time is understanding your individual learning style. Are you a visual learner who benefits from diagrams and videos? An auditory learner who retains information through listening? Or perhaps a kinesthetic learner who understands concepts better through hands-on experience? Identifying your learning style enables you to tailor your study methods accordingly. Setting clear, specific goals is crucial for efficient learning. Break your learning objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. This not only makes the learning process less daunting, but also provides a clear roadmap to follow. Setting goals helps keep your motivation high, as you're able to see tangible progress along the way. Effective note-taking is a powerful tool in your learning arsenal. It can enhance your attention, comprehension, and retention of information. Experiment with different note-taking techniques, such as the Cornell method, mind mapping, or bullet journaling, to find what works best for you. The key is to create notes that are not only comprehensive, but also easy to review and understand at a glance. Memory techniques are invaluable for learning and retaining complex information. Techniques such as the memory palace, mnemonics, chunking, and spaced repetition can significantly boost your memory performance. These methods leverage your brain's natural learning processes, making it easier to recall information when you need it. The internet is a treasure trove of learning resources. From online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy to educational videos on YouTube, there's an abundance of materials available for virtually any subject. Additionally, joining online forums or study groups can provide support, motivation, and additional insights into the topics you're exploring. Consistent practice is key to mastering any new skill or subject. Regular repetition and practice help reinforce the neural pathways in your brain, making the information or skill more accessible and easier to recall. Don't be afraid to make mistakes during practice sessions. They are an essential part of the learning process. Your brain's health plays a significant role in how efficiently you learn. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in regular physical exercise. These habits not only improve your general well-being, but also enhance your cognitive functions, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Stay curious and motivated. Give us a like if you found this quick guide to be helpful. Until then, see you in the next video tomorrow. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button to keep updated when we publish a new video.